Okay, you probably already started putting numbers in, so you might want to copy them to another column for now, because you're going to have to set up the formatting over here. So when we type in ID numbers, usually we type in it with a 0 and it disappears. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up the format in the first tab, the first box. And to do that, I'm going to hit right mouse key, sorry, and then I'm going to go down to Format Cells. I'm going to go to Custom, and you can see I actually practiced this ahead of time. Probably for you, it doesn't show anything. I'm going to basically type a 0 in for every single place, and you can see they've got the sample here. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more. Now it's got the 0 in front of it. And then I'm going to click OK. Awesome. But if you look, it's not going to do it on the next box. So the easiest way to get it into every box and not have to do it every single time is to, oh, sorry, there's a little circle here. You're going to actually just drag it down. And yes, all the numbers show up. I'm just going to highlight them, and I'm just going to hit the little delete button on my keyboard. But the formatting should still be there. So if I go 0, there it is. So the format is still there. And that's why I was like, if you already started putting numbers in, you're going to have to move them. Sorry, but that's the easiest way to make sure the 0 is in there.